Now, let me allow to say a few words for the members of the diplomatic corps, the high commissioners, commissioners, consulate generals, ambassadors of different countries who has their high commission offices or embassies in Pakistan. Particularly, I want to communicate to all, but particularly I want to address, I want to point out this point to British government, particularly British government. Please, what I am going to show you, why Chaudhry Nisar, Federal Interior Minister, was saying that Dr. Imran Farooq Shaheed case, why money laundering case was withdrawn against or taken back by the Metropolitan Police of Scotland Yard, British government. Now, why Chaudhry Nisar, Interior Minister, was against, why he is against me and was against me in 1992, and always, whenever he comes in government, he becomes number one enemy of Muhajirs. Why? Why didn't he take action against the jihadi outfits? Jihadi outfits. Why? What is the reason behind it? I request the British authorities and particularly the Interior Minister of British government to ask Pakistani Federal Interior Minister Chaudhry Nisar that what is this? Why are you meeting jihadi outfits? ये देखिए सारे जिहादी आउटफिट के साथ कौन खड़ा है, कौन मिल रहा है, ये देखिए, जरा करीब ले जाके दिखाएंगे, पता नहीं ये आ भी रहा है नहीं आ रहा. ये ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को वांट टू कन्वे दिस, particularly the British Federal Interior Minister, to ask the Pakistani Federal Interior Minister Chaudhry Nisar, you are alleging British government, and can you answer why are you meeting these jihadis? What connections do you have with these jihadi outfits? Which kind of relations you have? He is the mastermind of jihadi outfits and the number one friend of jihadis. That is why he didn't arrest us. That is why he didn't arrest Maulana Abdul Aziz, who is well known terrorist, friends of Daesh, Al Qaeda, Taliban, and there is a video in which Masjid Hafza, Madrasa Hafza, the girls who are the students of Madrasa Hafza, Jami Hafza, who was saying that we are fully in support of Daesh. And Maulana Abdul Aziz said, I don't believe in the Constitution of Pakistan. Then people agitated, demonstrated, or conduct several demonstrations to arrest Maulana Abdul Aziz, head of Red Mosque. Then Chaudhry Nizar said, we cannot arrest him because he has no FIR, there is no FIR against him. On the second day, in the Parliament of Pakistan, many members showed FIRs against Maulana Abdul Aziz. MQM has one FIR against Maulana Abdul Aziz, who threatened me, and several jihadi outfits issues fatwas, and they said they threatened me that we will see you in London. But I'm living in London. And I believe in God. And I believe in कुल्लु नफ्सिन ज़ाइक़तुल मौत. और मेरी यही दुआ है कि मेरी मौत आए तो शहादत से आए. शहादत की मौत बड़ी अजीज मौत होती है.